papunta akong palayan. Ayan, kasi magpapaani ang tatay ko. Ngayon, gamit ang harvester, gusto kong makita kung paano mag-ani ng palay gamit ang harvester. Kasi hindi pa ako naka-witness, kaya pupunta tayo ngayon doon. Dito ako sa palayan. Ayan, on the way. Doon yung inaani yun. Kasi ito yung mga naani ng palay. Tara! Ito tayo. So, ayan. Ito nanay ko. Kasama ko siya. Punta doon. Ito na yung naaning palay. Yun yung tatay ko. Ayan, naglalakad. Ha? Ito yung harvester. Yan sa pinsan na yan, namin yan. Nag-aani din sila. Ayan. Yun yung sa tatay ko. Doon banda. Yun. Harvester. Punta ako doon para makita natin. Ito na. Lakad-lakad na tayo sa pilapil. Ito yung exciting dito. Kasi pag nalaglag ka, putik yung kalalaglagan mo. Sa kabila, okay lang. Pero medyo basa-basa din. Ayan. Punta tayo doon sa lakad-lakad. Ayan. Kailangan careful kasi maliit siya. Good for one person lang. Ayan. Tayo. Ito pala yung naani na palayan. Naani na to kay tatay din to. Tapos yung nagpapa-farm. Ayun yung boy ni tatay dito sa palayan. Yan. Tataniman na lang to. Na hand tractor na siya. Ready na siya for pagtatanim ng palay. Yan. Doon tayo pupunta sa inaani. Dito yung dadaanan mo. Kasi good for one person lang. Kailangan maingat. Para hindi ka madulas. Yan. You know, you need to be careful. Because this is slippery. This is mud. And this is only good for one person. So, maybe it's better to pass this way. Okay, so how I'm going to jump going there? I'm going to pass, so I need to jump. 1, 2, 3. I did it. That's my tatay there. This is the harvester. For harvesting the palay. And this one, they're the one carrying the palay going up there before to file the palay. Now they're using the harvester instead of the old-fashioned way of harvesting the palay. It's very quick and easy. No need a lot of hard labor or people to harvest the palay. This is it, there and there. And this is my tatay there, drinking water. This is the rice field. Guys, this is the harvester. The machine is harvesting the palay. Put it straight inside this And this one is already, they're making it ready for planting new rice. This one. After the harvesting, this is the first step of preparing the rice field for planting new rice. This is called hand tractor. It's very manual. See. The other one is harvesting, the other one is preparing the field for planting. This is the new way of harvesting palay using the harvester. Uh, the palay goes straight to the sack of rice, of palay I mean. See? So the first part of the machine is the one harvesting the palay, cutting the palay, and then it grinding inside and separating this one to the palay grains. Then putting it straight also to the sacks.